everybody. I thought it would be a great idea to show you all a cute little craft idea that I actually was inspired by Mo Howard. If you have not checked out her channel, you should. She has tons and tons and tons of tutorials, and she is just a wealth of information. She basically is taking the leftover plastic that you get from your packaging from Happy Planner, and she is going to make bookmarks and things out of it. So I thought that was like the cutest idea ever. And she actually had a little way that you can actually add like a charm to your actual, you can punch a little hole here and just add the charm at the bottom so that it hangs out the bottom of the book, of your planner book. And I thought that was just a fabulous idea. And basically all she did was just take she took clear stickers and she just put them down on this plastic, leftover plastic. She punched her corners, which I punched my corners as well. And you know, it's already punched for you, so you just put it in your planner and you can put like a header on the top of it if you want to. And I thought, well, since I used these stickers last night and I didn't use them all, I thought, what a better way to do this than to just go ahead and finish up this kit. And that way, this whole set has been used. And I just thought it was sort of genius. Plus, I'm thinking I may just go ahead and do dividers for every month other than, of course, your regular divider, because I have boatloads of these things. So do not throw your stuff away whenever you get like new planners and stuff, because I'm here to tell you it is very, very durable plastic. It is the same plastic that is actually on the cover of the Happy Planner. So it is extremely durable. So I'll go back and like mash all this stuff down really well, because I don't want to do that on camera just because it's going to make the whole camera shake. So I loved what she did. I thought it was just genius. So I just wanted to share it with you guys. And I just thought we could hang out while I'm figuring out how I want this to look, because I think it's really cute. I mean, why not? I mean, what better way to use those pieces of plastic than to use them on a divider, because they are, like I said, quite durable. I think I'm going to put this one, maybe, I don't want to get it on the actual hole. I mean, you can, because then you can punch it, but I don't want to do that, just because. And I'm going to put this, I think I'm going to put this right up here. And just trim around the edges. I need to have a cleaning splurge with my scissors, because I have got scissors that are so dirty. It is ridiculous. So I am loving this. I think this is like the cutest idea ever. Now I want to take and put a couple of cute little tiny ones up here. There's that. And I might be able to fit this. I got another one. Yes, I thought I did. Of course, this one's got paper on it, so I don't know if that'll look right. Yeah, that's not gonna look right. That'll look a little weird. I think I'll just take this and put it over here. Trim that edge, and then I'm going to take this sticker right here and we're going to put it. This is a fabulous way to use up your stickers. Here we go. So I hope you have a sweet Christmas. I think that is stinking cute. And like I could just keep going and going and going. Like I could fill this whole thing up. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a piece of probably maybe a piece of like red paper and put it in behind this just to make it stand out more. There. Is that not like a great idea? I think I might put a couple more of these on here just because I want to fill it up. Maybe one right over here. I just think that red just bounces like crazy and looks so cute. And I'm going to take this one, if I can get it off the page. I think this is the one I couldn't hardly get up yesterday. There we go. And I'm going to put this right under here because it's a candle. Oh, that is so cute. I really like this idea. So then I thought what I would do after I do this is you could do them like one for New Year's. So there's one for Christmas. So let's do another one. So on this one, I think what would be super cute, let's just do, I love these presents. I think these presents are so cute. Put them along the bottom. And I'm sure there's more than just those. Ooh, this is a cute idea. You can take a piece of this washi, and I think it'll fit along the top. There we go. And then we'll just, well, that's crooked. If I can get hold of it, there we go. There. Now it's straight. Is that not cute? So I think I am going to run this right underneath it, just because I can. That says ho, ho, ho. And let me see if I can find, I want to just use just clear only stickers. Here we go. Here is a different present. These are so cute. And I think we can do a tree. I need a bigger tree. That one's awful little. Let me see. I don't think I have a bigger tree, but I shall look. Okay. Don't think so. Oh, these are cute. Cute, cute, cute. All right, let's do this tree. It's a little bit bigger. It's a little bit taller. I think we'll just put it right here because I found some more presents. And I think I'm just going to do this and scatter them around all over. I'm just excited because this is like a classic way to get rid of stuff. And you can use this over and over every year. I mean, it's not going to go to waste. That's the great thing about it. And let's see, Santa stop here. I like that. I'll be like, We'll just put it like that. All right. And what I'll do is just, oh, we have a whole stack of presents here. Oh, I found a great big tree. Doesn't take much to be like, ooh, I found a big tree. So, I think I'm going to do a favorite movie list. And I want to know what everybody's favorite Christmas movie is. Or one that you just feel like it's not Christmas if you don't see it. I know, just because it reminds me of when I was growing up, I absolutely love A Christmas Story. And I know a lot of people do not. And I get it. But it's just so much like the way it was back in the day. And I absolutely love that movie. I can't help it. I love this. I think I'm going to take these little holly berries. And I think I'm going to go... What am I going to do? We'll go here. And then we'll go down here. Guys, I'm loving this. I just think it is such a good idea. I would like to incorporate, let's see. I love these lights. I got one more set of lights. I sound like I'm actually putting up a tree, don't I? If I can get it off the paper. That's what I'm talking about. Keeping these books year to year to year is just such a waste because the stickers do get to where they're just not any count anymore. And I don't want to waste them. Yep, I don't want to waste them. There we go. Cute. I am in love here with this idea. I am totally in love. All right, let's see if there's anything in one of these other books. So we've got Ho Ho Ho. We have a Christmas tree. Oh, we've got candy canes here. OMG. So let's throw a couple candy canes in. This is just, I'm a happy girl. Mainly, stuttered on it. Go ahead and stutter. Mainly because I'm happy that I'm getting to use up some of these stickers. Because I'm to the point where I'm about ready to just be at, like, after this year, okay, what's not used is going bye-bye. And I don't mean in a good way. So if anybody wants some stickers after this year, please reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to send you a box of my old stickers. Because I'm about done. I'm just, you know, I'm moving in a different direction, peeps. Moving in a different direction. I want to really do the whole small shop thing, and including my own. And I just, yeah. Ooh, got some more presents. I am loving it. Take these. I think it'll fit. I don't want it to look too bogged down. Let's take this, pull it up, and put this sort of like that. And then we'll put this over here. Cute. All right, so I think, I don't think there's a whole bunch in here. There's some back here. Oh, I like this. I found a Believe sticker. Love that. And I found a Celebrate sticker. Perfect. And I don't think there's any more clear ones in here, and that's completely fine because I think this is about as robust as it's going to get. I don't want to like go too crazy. I don't want to do those just because they're different. Ooh. Okay. We're going to call this one done. Love it. So we've got, where did I put it? Oh, here it is. I've got this one and I've got this one. So what I've done, just to recap, is basically just took the leftover Happy Planner packaging, these pieces of plastic that you get around your planner when you purchase, and I keep these because this is really super durable. This is the same plastic that the covers are made out of, and it's super durable. And I'm making, you can make this like a dashboard, a bookmark, whatever you want to call it, for your holidays. And I think I'm going to sit here and make one for each month, like a January, a February, just as sort of like a bookmark for my planner. So I think this is a super cute idea. Again, I saw the idea from Mo Howard. She did release a video today doing this craft, and I thought it was a great idea, and I thought, why not? I want to share this with my planner folks. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this cute little tutorial, and it's something that you would consider doing, and I guess I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.